Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 10 Internet Services part 2. So let's start this video. Cloud computing. Cloud is defined as the set of hardware, network, storage, interfaces and services which combines together to deliver different aspects of computing and service over a network or internet. Means cloud is defined as the set of hardware, software, network, storage, interface and services which combine together to delivers different aspects of computing as a service over a network or internet. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customers relationship management means CRM all run in cloud. Means here the example of cloud. Here the server and all through server all computer connected. Google Docs, Microsoft OneDrives, Dropbox, etc. are provide facilities to store your data on cloud. Are the common examples of free or low cost online storage for user. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. The cloud computing is asking our business, mobile and collaborative. Along with this, copyright violations and piracy have seen a sharp decline over the past few years as users instead using pirated software can easily access the authentic content by paying fraction of the cost. It is the 100% secure and confidential. So we can say that cloud computing is a model for enabling convenience on demand network, access to a shared pool of computing resources, examples network, server, storage, software, application and services that can be realized with minimum effort a service provide interaction. Means cloud computing it provide a facility to store your data like image, audio, video or any important file on cloud. Means free of cost या minimum cost. Means some like Google, Dropbox provide 1 GB free storage, and after that when you want to more GB then you pay a fee, then use a further facility as of a particular services. And all web web conferencing, customer emails, relationship management all performed by cloud computing. So this is the very important nowadays to store your important file and data on cloud. You can access anywhere in any mobiles or any devices. Next one is the e-greeting. An e-greeting is an electronic greeting card that you can send over the internet to convey your wishes to a friend or relative. Means it is a electronic greeting card like any design, scenery to wish your friend, relative to send through the internet like WhatsApp, Facebook. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending free e-card. These sites are www.123greetings.com, www.hallmark.com, www.archionline.com, www.americangreetings.com, etc. There are so many websites you provide a free of cost greeting card. You only download and edit and send your relative or friends. Follow these steps to send an e-card. Means how to send e-card. Visit the e-card sites, say www.123greetings.com and click the happy birthday option. Means when you open these websites, there are so many options: birthday, marriage anniversary. There are so many events. You select happy birthday option. Click the desired card to send. Click the personalize button. Here there are so many different types of designs. Scroll and access different pages to view different card design. Click the desired card. Means when you click the happy birthday option, there are so many happy birthday related card. You move to the next page also and select your desired card. The card design will be displayed. Click on the play button to view animation effect and music. You click a particular card and you see the what type of animation apply of this particular card. Click the send this card button. The new web page open up, especially recipients detail. Add your personalized message. You can also preview the animation by clicking the on preview button here, and if you wish you change the card by repeating the above mentioned steps. Means you want to change, if you not like animation of particular card, then you can change the card and select your desired card and send now. After that, click on the send now button. A confirmation message will appear that your card has been sent. On sending the card, the recipient will receive an email with a link of e-card provide web page. On click that link, the card will open. Remember that the card is not sent through the email but on through its link. Means this card image not sent directly. Means you can send only a link of this card. When other person, yeah, your friends, relative click this link, then link is open and show your message. Just like your WhatsApp, some person send you link, means your friends send for you, you click here and see. So greeting card is send only the link, not a image of this greeting card. You can only send the link of this greeting card. After that, email. Electronic mail is a process of sending and receiving text-based message over the internet. You must have an email address to access email on the internet. The email address is similar to your postal address. While sending an email, we enter 3 mail address of the recipient so that the computer should know where to it sent. Means email means electronic mail is the process of sending and receiving the text based message over the internet. You have must email address to access email on the internet. Means you send a email, but another person have also email, then access the email. So both person have email. First one, the sender have email and receiver also have email to receive your email. And this email is similar to the postal card. There are 3 difference. An email address consists of 2 parts separated by @ symbol. An email address cannot contain space. For example, here kips@gmail.com. Username. First one, the username. It is the name of the person's account. This can be real name of the user or any other name. Next one, the domain name. It is the location of the person's account on the internet separated by period, dot, and then type the organization is mentioned, just like gmail.com, yahoo.com. In an email address, identify a location on the internet where an email can be sent. There are many sites on internet which provide free email facilities. Popular sites are www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com, www.rediffmail.com, etc. In previous class, you have learned how to create email account, compose and send email, forward and reply email to your colleagues or acquaintances to the internet. Let us learn more maintaining of list content where there are so many addresses. Means email are contain 2 parts, username and domain name. Username is your name and domain name is the provider of the organization. And there are so many websites which provide a free of cost email like www.email.com, yahoo.com and rediff.com. Hopefully all students understands content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number. Thank you.